Your company runs on AI now. A dozen apps, 5 providers, secret keys scattered across every repository, and nobody who can tell you what it costs or whether any of it is still following the rules. This is OwnIQ. Every request from every app now enters through a single gateway. Traffic, spend, tokens, and latency, live in one view, and the provider mix that used to be invisible is suddenly just a number you can watch. Instead of provider secrets copied into a dozen codebases, every app gets one signed OwnIQ key. Open it, and you set the blast radius, rate limits, spend caps, fallback chains, and the app's own upstream credentials. Every value is enforced on the hot path. Policy should not live in a wiki. Moderation, a prompt firewall, PII redaction, content deny lists, model and network allow lists. 7 guardrails per app, evaluated on every single call before it ever reaches a provider. Now the part nobody else can show you. Every completion is scored after the fact against the standard operating procedure it was supposed to follow. 258 responses graded. 63 failed. And OwnIQ names the reason: missed escalations, policy violations, structure gaps. You rewrote the procedure. Did it help? Version impact answers in one card. Version 1, 23 failures out of 57. Version 2, 14 out of 30. Barely moved, and now you know instead of guessing. Then you work the queue, approve, or escalate, and every judgment is on the record. When something breaks at 3 in the morning, you do not guess. Every request is a distributed trace. Auth, rate limit, routing, upstream call. Each span timed and costed, so the slow hop names itself. Spend stops being a surprise invoice. Pull 30 days, and every dollar lands against an app, a model, and a provider. The number finance always asks for, ready before they ask for it. And OwnIQ does not only watch, it decides. The complexity router reads each prompt and picks a tier. A trivial question never touches a frontier model, it drops to the cheap tier, and the entire decision, reason, and cost stays on the record. Behind that one endpoint sits the entire field. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Grok, Mistral, and more. 197 models, every one of them priced per million tokens. Switching providers stops being a migration and becomes a setting. One gateway for every model, guardrails that hold, costs you can attribute to the app that spent them, and proof that your AI is still following the script. OwnIQ.